The first of the extra 4 was the doctor's evidence, which turned out to be in Vinson's favor. The second one, reflecting the court's concern, is that he had no lawyer at the trial. The appellant was not legally represented at his trial, including the voir dire. So earlier, they pointed out that he was not represented during any questioning by the police, even though he asked for a lawyer. Now they are pointing out that he was not represented at the trial, even in the voir dire, which is a very special and unique legal proceedings that's really for lawyers. He didn't have any legal representation. Despite the potential sentence being so great, despite the legal issues being so complex. And the board said that, you know what, this is something that we can take note of. The third problem in this extra 4 concerns that the board has is that no good character direction was given. This doesn't have to do with the confessions. Basically, if a person has no previous convictions, they are entitled to what's called a good character direction. The judge is supposed to tell the jury that this man has a good character. The judge didn't do that. And the Privy Council has stated in a number of other cases that that alone is enough to cause somebody's conviction to be bad.